Yo, you got a new car?
Take a look at this bullshit weld. That's not how you want to weld your...
What? Got this off a car?
It's just slapped off of a customer's car we got on right now. Let's say you weld a pipe, alright? So the shop's doing some bullshit. That's how it's supposed to look. It doesn't look like that, it's wrong. With the amount of T exhaust, you're at the wrong shop.
See this? This is a decibel meter. So what it does is it measures in numbers the level of sound. So what we're gonna do is compare it to before and after of these guys' exhaust systems. What up, bro? What kind of car do you have?
2020 Scat Pack Challenger.
What are we getting done today?
Mid muffler and a resonator done.
Both of them?
Yes, sir.
So is that 100? What do you think it's gonna get to?
Around 120.
My name's St. John.
Fat tippies coming in. 4-inch quad, Dodge Challenger, Scat Pack.
Like, get all the jobs this time.
Alright, bro, good guess. Drive safe. Mike, give me a smile. You ever think about modeling? What kind of car do you have?
2021 F340.
Get 'em. Black hat, yeah. Black shades, yeah. Black diamond.
What are you doing today?
Changing out the whole exhaust system.
What kind?
AWE tuning.
That 103, what do you think it's gonna be at?
110, 115.
Alright, bro, drive safe. We gonna go for a ride?
That seatbelt on real tight. Track mode with a T action, track
Go! Chill! Chill! We got the decibel readers. We got the difference between good welds and bad welds. We got McLarens. Pretty good day, G-Exhaust today.